Welcome back to this class, Intermediate Level Java, a presentation of coding boot camps. This is session 5. We will discuss characters and strings. So just to summarize, we've talked about searching, we have discussed error handling, we've discussed data structures, we've discussed formatting, including printf and character conversion, literals. Now in this session, we're going to discuss the string class. So we'll discuss characters and strings, detail on the string class, string operations, the string builder class, character classes, string token class, and regular expressions, including regular expression syntax, pattern class, and matcher class. So let's discuss a little bit about the fundamentals of characters and strings, because a string is like an array of characters. So strings, not surprisingly, are widely used in Java. They are, again, a sequence of characters. In the Java programming language, strings are treated as objects. So there is a class for strings. And the Java platform provides the string class to create and manipulate, call methods on, and do other things with strings. Here is one of the most direct ways to create a string. Declare a string of, so we're declaring this greeting of type string, and we're giving it a value. However, if we look down here at this example, we can see this class string demo. Interestingly enough, when we look at the main method here, we see hello array, and we see the individual characters that make up the array. We also can see here hello string and declare a string, which could also be the individual characters of an array, and then we can output that hello string. So these actually are, interestingly enough, two different ways to create the same string value. The string class is considered to be immutable, so once we create a string object, it can't be changed. It is possible, if you have to make modifications to string characters, then you can use string buffer and string builder classes. However, you can always just simply create another string. And also, the string class comes with many methods known as accessor methods. And one accessor method you can use with strings is called the length method, which returns the number of characters in the string. So we can take a look at an example down here. Again, we have our public class and our main method. We declare our string here, and then we are calling on this string, which is palindrome, we're calling length. And length will return the number of characters in the string. So the length method returns an integer. And you can see here it's declared as an integer. And then we are outputting, well, here's more string manipulation right here. We have a declared literal string here, and then what was returned, the integer that was returned by the length method. And if you take a look here at the output, the length method will return 17, and we can see the output here. The string length is 17. The string class also includes a method for concatenating two strings. So what we'll do is we will call the method concat on an existing string and pass into it the string that we wish to concatenate. So this returns a brand new string with the string that's passed as the argument added to the calling string at the end. So you can use, again, concat method with string literals. So we can see here, my name is, and you can see this is a literal, and we can call concat and add Zara right there. So that would return my name is Zara. Strings are more commonly concatenated with the plus operator. So the plus operator, as you can imagine, is an overloaded operator, and we can see it here that hello then is concatenated with world, which is concatenated with the bang symbol here, which results in this new string down here. So this will return a new string. Here's another Java class, which is an example of string concatenation operations. So right here, we see our class string demo. We see the main method here, and it's taking it's set up here to accept strings. So, but we can see here that that we have string 1, and we see that it's initialized here to saw I was space. And then down here in the print out, we actually build another string. And you can see here what the output is. Dot saw I was Todd. So that doesn't make sense, but you could see how it took the string 1 and placed it here between these two string literals. Stay tuned for our next video on Java strings.